So good news, guys. I was kind of wondering something because I didn't know that Super 73s had 5-inch tires, 5 inches wide. That is, most other e-bikes, these type e-bikes have 4-inch wide tires, and Super 73s have 5-inch wide tires. So I was curious about would the 5-inch tires fit on a 4-inch wide rim. And yeah, they do, because that is a Super 73 tire on my Zugo rim. So just out of curiosity, my old Zugo planetary gear motor, I just wanted to see. And yeah, they do fit. So that will help in this build, because I was wondering about that. I didn't want to have a little skinny 3-inch tire on the back of this build, so we can still put his 5-inch tire back on the back, and you can't tell any difference between the back and the front, because Super 73s, they come with those very wide rims. Another good thing is I've been trying to look for a good lightweight motorcycle tire, and to be honest, these Super 73 tires are a lot better than the average 20 by 4-inch bike tire. They're really pretty thick if you look at them. They got these nice thick treads in them. So the other fat bike tires, the 20 by 4s, man, they're like balloons. They are very thin. I showed y'all the other day just how thin they were. That being said, I'm going to order some of these 5-inch Super 73 tires for Frank. Yeah, so this is the Super 73 rim. And like I said, their rims are much wider than the fat bikes that have the 4-inch tires. But they fit on my rim perfectly. So yes, Frank will be getting a set of Super 73 tires, and I don't give a damn if they Super 73. But I've seen a few used pair, and then Super 73 came out with some new tires. I forget what they called. I think they're lizards or something. But anyway, that's good to know. Alright, that's it. As for where we're at with the Super 73 build, I just had to figure out some things. Was trying to determine, whether or not that motor was bad. So we know that motor's bad now. And even though we were going to go with a new direct drive anyway, I was going to do some experimenting at first, just to see if that 1000-watt Super 73 motor could handle 72 volts, because I've seen a lot of upgrades in Reddit where guys have put Saviton 150 amp controller and a 72 volt battery on the stock 1000-watt Super 73 motor. So we were going to do that and play around with it, but we're just going to go ahead with the direct drive, which is going to be better anyway. You're going to have the regen braking, and it's just going to be a faster motor. Anyway, that's it. Nice little bit of information there for any of you guys that are also looking to upgrade your tires. I know the regular 20 by 4s are only rated at 30 miles per hour, but this being a whole lot thicker rubber tire, it has to be a whole lot more than 30 miles per hour. He's at least got to be rated at 60 miles per hour. I sure would feel comfortable going 60 on them, that's for sure. The difference is night and day. Okay, that's it. Deuces.